This video describes Instant Places, a novel screen media system that explores new practices for individual publication and identity projection in public displays. People often engage in diverse forms of expression that correspond to statements for others to see, regarding the self or affiliations to particular social groupings, organizations, or personal values. A t-shirt, a lapel pin, a sticker, or even a tattoo can all be seen as objects of conscious or unconscious display that serve to express identity, promote causes, or support a football team. These forms of self-expression can be supported by the person itself, for example with lapel pins or t-shirts, but in other cases they may be supported by the affordances of public space, as in the case of posters stuck on a wall. In these latter cases, ownership of the publication medium is shared and subject to negotiation. A person distributing posters will ask permission to the place owner and will probably do so in the places in which there is some previous acquaintance. These practices surrounding the creation, placement, and maintenance of analog displays enable people to appropriate them for a multitude of communication purposes and provide an important design inspiration for public digital displays. Despite their obvious potential, digital displays are too constrained in the range of content publication practices that they can accommodate. Content is essentially created and distributed from a centralized point, and is normally perceived by people as not very relevant. In our research, we seek to explore new and flexible content generation concepts for public displays that reflect analog forms of expression and that people can easily control and understand. With Instant Places, people can have an identity representation that allows them to explicitly and systematically manage their presence in public displays. This is done in a way that they can become comfortable with in multiple types of usage scenario. The first step is the creation of an identity at the Instant Places website, where people can define a profile and how it will be exposed in the visited places. Locative signs are the key concept that we are exploring for supporting the systematic creation of user-generated content. Currently, Instant Places supports two types of locative signs: pin badges and posters. People can associate pins with their individual profiles. Posters aim to provide an open means for self-expression, with which people can create content they consider relevant for the places they visit. Posters can be authored by anyone who has an Instant Places profile. The authoring process is very simple. Using the Instant Places mobile application, a person can check in at the visited places. This enables display applications to reflect the presence of that person and expose her pins as part of her situated identity, which can be a source of content in itself. By checking in at a place, people are also able to distribute posters they have previously created. They just have to leave a poster exhibition request to the place owner. Place owners may then choose to refuse or approve that specific poster. After approval, posters are shown on the place displays. Instant Places brings together display owners, place visitors, and content creators into open collaborative models that are able to generate new added value for all the parties involved.